Hello, everybody. My name is Anita Janae. If you haven't been here before, thank you so much for watching. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here as well. In today's video, I'll be doing my makeup, just pretty much eyebrows and then like a little bit of foundation, something very quick. I would not be talking this entire video, just talking really fast. But just, yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, okay? So just to talk a little bit, y'all, I have a video that is posted right now of me installing this hair, and it looks so much better now. Now that I've worn it for a little while, I got the hang of it. It's always like that for me. It's like I gotta like wear it for a little bit to know how to finesse it. Then I'm using e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay. So I can get started with the foundation I'm using will be Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So I'll put a little bit here. Just a tiny bit, because I don't need that much makeup today. Oh, I'm supposed to do my eyebrows. I'll do my eyebrows later. This is the concealer I am using. And I'm using my sharp brush. You can barely see it. Okay, y'all, I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna go with my Best Skin Ever concealer by Sephora. I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Honey Pro Filter. You probably can't see it. It's a little dark. Okay. Alright. The camera died in the middle of me baking. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get my life together. My lashes wet. I don't like it. Let me fix this on camera. Let me see. Hey y'all, so everything's good so far. I'm just gonna start blending everything in. I'm gonna fix my contour just a little bit. Everything looks good. Trying to do me. Really am. Yeah, this is good. I was nervous. I was nervous because I haven't done my makeup in so long. Okay. Now it's time for highlighter. See, I don't really see that. scratching my nose. I'm like actually shocked that this looks this good. I don't do my makeup. Like, hey, need to see. Cool. Yo, I think I need it. I need it up. I don't think this is working. It's not working. I have hair spray. One size. On till dawn. Ooh, okay. I do want to add some did I eat? A little bit. Did I eat? Okay. I'm gonna do a lip and then I'm done, okay? Because I really have to go. Like, seriously, I have to go. I don't think I got enough. I think I did a good job. I think I did a really good job. I don't want to mess up my curls. Y'all. So I found the lip pencil I wanted to use. Y'all bear with me because I'm not like a lip gloss girly. I'm just getting better at doing lips. I'm gonna add just a little bit more mocha mommy. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all. I'm having way too much fun. Okay. I'm so proud of myself right now because this is good. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Janae. If you liked this video, even though it was a little chaotic, like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos coming soon. My name is Janae. Again, thank you so much for watching.